Okay, see, you change things around and you find yourself on mute, and that's sad. But anyways, I'm off mute. I was just saying, today is Friday, November 1st, 2024, and this is the question of the week. And so I just wrapped up the member show, and I wanted to bring up the question here that I have. And the question I got, let me switch over to this view right here and see if we can get that up. All right, great. So this is trying new things in StreamYard. So in any case, the question I got this week was, Sean, how do you find what's calling a screen inside of FactoryTalk View SE? Right? And I'm like, that is a great question because you know what? In the course I teach, I know all the screens because I created the course, right? And we create each screen in the course. We create the whole project from scratch, right? So I think that's a great question. So I figured I would do a sample here. So in this is a sample that comes with Rockwell software. This is the one where they borrowed my, without asking, they borrowed my bottler animation here. And this is on a screen called filling. Okay. And so you can see it's called filling. Now, I didn't design, well, I designed that graphic and Rockwell borrowed it from me without asking, but I didn't design Instant Fizz, this whole application. So where is this being called from? Well, we can find out by clicking on the binoculars here. And this was a feature that was added. It wasn't in the original product when it first came out, but man, it was so nice that they added this. It's really well done. So I'm going to search on filling, okay, and I'm going to find all, okay, and there's some options down here that you can choose between, but it's now going to go through and try to find every place that word filling is used. Now that word filling is used in some text objects, it's used in some other objects. What we're looking for though is to the question that came in, we're looking for where did this screen get called from? Like what brings up this screen? So here we can see the find and replace results. Okay. And I've lowered my resolution down to 720. Hopefully you guys can see this. So we can see there's lots of things here that have the word filling in it. This has a tag called CIP filling. Okay. What we're looking, here's some text that has filling line in it. But and here's another one, display trend-filling counts. But this is, we're looking for display filling. Here we go. Display filling, display filling, display filling. So we have three different places. Polygon 16 on the message dashboard screen. We got another one here. Okay, this is a navigation button. This is a navigation component. Go to display button, display filling. And we also have polygon number 4 on the plant overview screen. If I double click on that, it should bring me to it. Okay. You can see here, let's see if we got polygon 4 selected. We do, you can see it right there. It's highlighted. And then you should see it on this screen somewhere, polygon number 4. Okay. And so that is how you can find, in this case, it's so far I found three different places where I'm doing a display filling. Display filling, display filling, and there's one more. Display filling. So it's 3 different places, and the nice thing is you just double click on it, boom, and it goes right there. So it looks like right here we have display filling. That is a polygon. If I right click on that polygon and go to animation, touch animation, boom, there it is, display filling. So that is this week's question of the week. I hope that helps you guys out there, and I want to thank everybody who sends in their questions. Let's see if I can get the question of the week back up. So the best way for anybody in the public, you can leave them on YouTube. I'm trying to be every day or every 2 days, I'm trying to check all the YouTube comments because I didn't realize it, but YouTube was not showing me new comments. So like I wasn't getting the little red thing with the bell. So in any case, I'm trying to manually check those every day or two, every 2 days. And I'm trying to reply to anyone who's asking a question. If I don't know the answer, I don't know the answer. But if I know the answer, I'll try to reply to the question. Of course, you can leave them at the automation blog. We have some people leaving them on blogs. We have some people putting them in the community. Of course, you can always just go theautomationblog.com/question. There's a form in there. You can send it that way. Some people send me questions via LinkedIn. Those aren't the best because that falls outside of my normal search window. but I'll try to answer it if you ask it there. But some people are like, teach me everything you need to know, everything you know. And I'm like, sign up for one of my courses. That's how I make a living, right? I sell PLC and HMI courses. So in any case, with that, that's it for this week. Now, don't forget, we do have, let me go back to this view here. And don't forget, we have the audience choice polls going on. So vote early, vote often. Everybody's talking about voting, right? Well, I want to know what your favorite PLCs, HMIs, VFDs are. Right today, the newest poll is VFDs. I scoured the internet for all the different VFDs I could find. You may have some favorite VFDs that are not on this list, and you can add them using this. You can add at least one using the other option right here. Okay, and I think you can pick two. You can pick up to two, or this one may allow you to pick three, but please head over there. You can vote on in all the polls that have been released. So far, we have 8 that are out. You can go up there and just click on each one of them. This list is at the bottom of each poll, and vote in all the polls. This helps me know what you want me to cover next year in 2025. So that's why I do it, and I love to hear what you guys are using and get your feedback. You know, you guys using Rockwell, using Siemens, using Schneider, using Opto 22, using Horner Automation. We've had so many people on the show over the years, Phoenix Contact, and on and on and on. So let me know what you're using. And with that, I want to wish you all good health and happiness. And until next time, my friends, peace.